Okay, so the Aquasport is going to be getting its transom redone. As you can see, I pulled the Yamaha 130 off of it. It does run rather good. It's going back on the boat. One of the things, interesting was when I pulled the motor off, I just realized how bent this bracket here actually is. It is not straight anymore. And, I guess it was $100 Amazon bracket, so I could lift this thing up because it is a 25-inch motor on an old 20-inch transom. So I'm going to be closing in the transom here. Going to be going from all the way top all the way across. I'm going to be extending this cap. I'm going to probably be right about here all the way across that way. And that should add some extra rigidity to the transom. And I'm going to be keeping 2 out of these 3 scuppers here. And I'm probably going to have to end up grinding some of the deck back here to fix some of this glass here that my Uncle Dave did. What a fucking idiot. As you can see, he thought just using a little piece of this small glass right here, I forget what kind of glass this is called, but that he used to connect the trough here with the deck, but it wasn't the right kind of glass that we should have used. I'm going to be coming in and doing the transom from the back, and I'm going to leave like a lip probably about this far out. I'm going to come down, cut across like that, kind of go like that, so I have a lip when I'll have something to tie into when I mount the transom in here. I'm going to go pick up this, I think it's about 1.5 inch thick sheet of Kusa board, so that should fit right in here. And I'm going to have to grind this whole skin here, the front skin here, so you'll see what I'm going to do when I start working on it. As you can see, I have everything kind of tucked away over there. And I'm going to buy a Bob's. I think I'm going to probably do a 14-inch setback jack plate on this one. And it should work pretty good.